Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. These are the 400 watt heavy duty animal clippers from the company My Animal Command. MAC400 is the model. So let's take a look at everything we get. First, they give you a nice hard plastic durable case. It's got two locks on the side for helping keep it closed. Give you an instruction manual, some lubricating oil for your blades, a cleaning brush. Now these clippers come with two sets of high quality Baywin blades, 34 and 24 tooth. You're going to have one set that's in this box, and then the other set is going to already be installed on the clippers. They give you two extra carbon brushes, and then the clippers themselves. So these clippers can be primarily for horses, cattle, pigs, similar livestock animals. Again, MAC400 is the model number. They're 400 watt, 6 speed, up to 2500 RPMs. And then they've got the extra set of Baywin blades already installed.
It's very easy. You don't need any tools or anything. Everything they give you is all you need. First thing you're going to do is let's take a look at the blades before we take them off. You've got a longer blade that's going to go on the bottom, and then the shorter blade is going to go on the top. The longer blade should be kind of facing upward, and then the shorter blade should be facing down. There's really no way to mess this up, but I just wanted to show you that before we get going. We're going to unscrew this. You've got a spring, and you've got this that are going to come out. Then you've got a screw going through the middle that should just fall out. There's a washer in there. Don't worry about that. We're going to put all this back in. Once those are taken off, your blade should simply fall off. It's pretty simple. Here's your long blade. Here's your short blade. Now, if you notice on the long blade, there's a couple of holes here. They're going to match up with the holes on the clippers. The small blade is kind of similar. It's got some lines up here and at the bottom. They're going to need to go in these grooves on the clippers. We're going to look at that here in a second. So let's get our replacement blades. And let's put them on. They're identical to the ones that are on the clippers when you get it. So all you're going to do is you're going to turn them over. This center part right here needs to go over the top of this silver cylinder that's in the clippers. So we're going to sit that over the top. Once you do that, it should kind of line up for you, but again, make sure that this area is in the grooves here. Should be able to see the center circle through the middle there. Then we're going to take our other blade. It's pretty easy. You're going to want the brand of the blade facing outward, and you're just going to line it up over those holes. Once you've got it lined up, I would go ahead and put the screw in. I would keep my thumb on the clippers just to keep it all together. We're going to put the screw through the bottom. Now we're going to turn it over. We're going to set the washer over the top. Then we're going to take our spring, put our spring in, and then put our clip back in. And we're simply going to screw it down. Nice and tight, and we've successfully changed the blades. So I thought it might be beneficial to show you the speed settings on these animal clippers. You've got a little knob down here. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it or not. You'll see that I've got it set to 1, and then you can adjust it to any speed you want all the way up to number 6. So I'm going to put it back to 1. I'll turn on the clippers and then I'll adjust the speed, and you'll notice the higher I go, the faster the clippers are going to get. So let's turn it on with 1. So 6 different speeds, set them the way you want. Really easy. I hope the video helps.